Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import data to Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So there are many ways to import data to Salesforce and you can use also many other tools. For example, you can go to your setup menu and from there you can import uh, data. So just type import and from there you can have some basic data import or some data import wizard so you can have uh, an easy importing. So better use the data import wizard so it can facilitate the way of your importing. So basically you will need just to click on launch wizard and after that you will need just to choose the object that you want to import to. So for example, if you are going to import contacts and accounts, you will need just to choose accounts and contacts and then you will click on add a new record if you want to add a new record and you can match by anything, some fields, name or email for example, and then you can choose the file you want to import from. And then you will click next and you will map the data or uh, the object and you will be able to start importing. Another way to do is to use some other tool like the Salesforce Reloaded or Inspector, and it is a Chrome extension that you can install with your Chrome browser. And basically, you can just go to objects and go data import. For example, if we want the accounts as we did before, we can import whatever we like. I'm going just to click on data import and it will give you which type of API, the action, which is insert or add in new data. You choose the objects as we did and then you give it the format and it will be doing the mapping, etc. Another way to do it is by using the data loader, and it is another tool of Salesforce. So basically, this is how you can upload or import data to Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.